Hello Tech Genius, I am Ravi. Have you ever imagined a place where learning is as dynamic as the technology shaping your world? Then here's a deal. With iMatix, you can make sure the learning is exciting, impactful right from the beginning. You have interactive sessions with expert-led courses in the world of tech, from data science to cloud computing. It's not just about a session, it's about doing, building, learning by solving real problems. So let's get started. Today we are going to start the business process configuration. Hope you understand what exactly we are going to do on today. Today we are going to set a plan. If any take it as any expert at organization, they're getting a business from outside the market. If in our organization, Cloud Foundation Private Websites is receiving a new project called Nokia. Now we are going to set up, first one is we are going to set up a gateway of new project. And after that we are going to create an application details to the Nokia project and HRIS in process. We are going to do and cancel business process. We are going to do and how to handle the termination and how to handle the promotion related activities, transfer overview and configuration. Also, we are going to understand to doing this activity, we are going to jump into the configuration business process first. To doing this activity, we are going to enter here configuration business process. Go to the software and enter here. Let me change the start box. Let me change here. Yes, now I'm going to my profile. Under my profile, I'm going to tapping on to the workbench. Under this workbench, I have an option called Configuration, Business Process and Business Process. First, I'm going to do a configuration business process. Have a tap on to this option. Once we're tapping on to this option, we will get an option called, higher global model, and along with that, we will get a requested further global model services. Here, since this is in training tenant, we are receiving an organization named Global Model Services. I'm going to start with on higher tapping on this 3 action box. It's loading, just give me a minute. In this, you need to tap on to the business process. Under this business process, you need to have a tap on to the maintain related worklets. Once we tap on to the maintain related worklets, we will get the organization called Global Modern Services. The CEO is called Steve Morgan. We got the details. Have a tap on this. Fields can be a map. This is called it has a new no job profiles. All these 7 items, whatever the items people were seeing here, all these items was being established into the business process. This is called it has some worklets. This worklets, I'm going to tell you, one is job profilers position management, pre-hire student supervisory organization worker. All this worklist will be an included further new business process system of activity. To doing this activity, we need to go on to the first one by one a job profiles. Have go to the actions. Under the actions, you'll get an option called report fields. Have a tap on to the report fields. Under this report fields, you need to go and tap onto the job profiles on here. You will get an option somewhere like this, index information. As of now, everything has been 0. And we need to tap on to the 3 action dots from here and have export the file. Download it. Open. We got one is a job profile and we need to take the rest. Few more worklets as well. Come back. Have it app onto the fields. That can be a map. Go to the position. Under this position, you can have an export each file from here. First, we need to collect all these files. Download it. I download the complete workloads which available in the organization whenever you people is trying to do and confrontation to the new business unit. First of all, it will show you the whatever the options you have, whatever the predefined data you have in your internal organization. It will give you a complete list. This is all 7 points which would be your internal department list. No, we need to make all these files as one single file of report. To doing that activity, first I'm going to open up where iMatix was being downloaded. I got this option. I'm going to tapping on to first workload and I'm going to have a call open up all the activities. reports 12 all the 7 reports, I'm just make has an collaboration with them. What report? And first one is job profile on here. I'm going to enter my organization name, Cloud Foundation Private Limited Post, that in the second option. I'm going to take a new page. I'm going to select my worker data. That means employee details. Here I'm going to mention worker data. And next one is positions. Positions means we need to first, we given an organization details. Second, we given an employee details. Third, we are going to give the who is the position management is going to be taking care. The position management details. Hope everyone is understanding the sequence. Anyone having any questions? In the third level, I'm going to enter the position details. One second. And I'm going to mention the supervisory details of the organization. And next we're going to give the pre-hire details. Pre-hire means whenever we have a requirement. Take it as an example, the project is going to be launched into the January or February. And we were supposed to get ready from number onwards to started hiring and get the peoples to the organization on vacation, giving air offer letters to the employees, new employees. All these activities we need to do little pre-hire. This all category will come under the pre-hire category. Those topics also be going to cover under the staffing movements. Don't worry. To understand in depth, excuse me, in this we're going to copying of student data. I can turn it has a client data. this is as and complete data. First, we're going to start with a fee name cloud foundation. We need to fill everything as a manual. And another description. We enter the organization details. Usually this isn't trying to get very few, a few options. But if it is in the live data, you will get your organization in number and government registration forms and branch code related activities for whatever the project. Check the correct field and you need to enter the details. The field services of this portal work are data here. We need to enter the two agents and points details. And put here. Agent name. Post entering the details. We should enter here employees. You need to mention. If you don't have the data, you should enter TNN temporarily not applicable clear. Coming to the position details, same format. You need to be unfollowed. Here we need to explain the position details. Do you need to change to position, data manager name, assistant manager name, team leader name, SME and employee? Age of the services in the organization as of now 17 months, 14 months, 15.3 months, like that we need to enter. Post completing this, have a save of the file. And you need to enter your supervisory details on here. I'm going to enter my supervisory details from by 1. We need to enter the supervisory details along with their name and the employee to find their details, and post that come to the pre-hiring details. The pre-hiring details we need to collide from the HR and coming to the client data, this client data. I will show you how the client data will look at the lively. Client name is no care and business object would be it. I was developed me and worked at delivery delivered. First, let me implement it. Later, I will explain to people what and all details I need to be captured on here. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.